Today, friends, we're going to be talking about shadows. So you already learned what a shadow is, so let's go ahead and go through our slides and do some review really quick. Our objectives for today say we will review what a shadow is, and I will draw a picture of my shadow in the morning. Here's a slide that is just review if you need it. It says, what is a shadow? So if you want to watch this video again, it's only 2 minutes as a quick reminder to what a shadow is. You can go ahead and click play and watch that video. On this slide, it says shadows are made using a light source. So in order to have a shadow, you have to have some type of light, like a lamp, a flashlight, the sun outside. Anything that puts off a bright light can cause a shadow. And in order to have a shadow, you have to have light and something to be blocking the light. So when you're outside standing, you might notice that the sun is shining down onto you, and the light can't go through your body because you're standing there. It blocks the light, which makes a shadow standing behind you, kind of like the guy in this picture. He's outside, and even though it's a black and white picture, the sun is shining. It can't go through his body. He's blocking the light, and it makes a shadow on the ground. So for your assignment today, you guys are going to go outside sometime in the morning, preferably if you can before 11 o'clock. But remember, your shadows or your assignments are not due until Friday by 3 p.m. So you have all week to do it if you can't do it today. You can even do it all in one day if you have to. But we're going to be observing our shadow. So today you're going to go outside in the morning time, maybe sometime before 11 o'clock if you can. And you're either going to take a picture of your shadow, or you're going to stand there and look at your shadow and see what it looks like and draw it, okay? For this assignment, it might be easier if you have a phone or your computer. You could just set it down and have someone take a picture of you standing with your shadow. But what I want you to do is really focus on, what does your shadow look like? Is it small? Is it long? Is it super skinny and funny looking? Or is it maybe really short and really wide? So you're going to go outside in the morning time, sometime before 11, and take a picture or make a drawing of what your shadow looks like in the morning. Now, it's important that you do it in the morning because our next assignment is going to be to draw a picture of it in the afternoon. And the one after that is going to be draw a picture of it right before nighttime, like before the sun sets closer to the end of the day. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at our shadows and see how they look different. So we're going to look at your shadow from the morning, from the middle of the day, and from the afternoon, and we're going to talk about them. So for today, take a picture or make a drawing of your shadow in the morning and just kind of talk about it, and then you're going to click here to upload a picture of your shadow. So you're going to type your first and last name and hit add file and upload your picture.